Here is how to redeem a Steam gift card code. First, make sure that you're on Steam and you have a gift card to redeem. You can enter the code into Steam to add the balance to your account and make a purchase. Once you have your gift card ready, if it's a physical card, scratch off the section on the back to reveal the code, and if it's a digital card, make sure that you can access the code. Now on Steam, ensure that you're logged into your correct account, as this is where the balance will be added. Now you can verify this in the top right corner. Click on your name in the top right corner. From here, select View My Wallet option. Now this will open a new page and you'll see options to add funds to your wallet. But since you have a gift card, look at the right and you'll see your current balance. Mine is 0. Below that, find and click on Redeem a Steam gift card or wallet card option. And this will again take you to the new page where you can go ahead and enter your Steam wallet code in this box. Then after you select Continue, which is highlighted in blue color, and you'll be done. This will add the funds to your account and you can start spending. So that's all there is to it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.